Alright guys, so there are some leaks about the Mavic Pro 3. Let's get to it. So there was a leak about the newest member of the Pro line that will be released probably in August or September of this year. DJI does not take a break, guys. It has already released two amazing drones, the Mavic Air 2S and the DJI FPV. But we all have been waiting for the next Mavic Pro for a couple of years now. And according to the reliable source, there is a prototype soaring the skies and being tested. Apparently, the Pro 3 will record 8K at 30 frames per second, which I think is pretty nice. And to be honest, I wouldn't expect anything else from the Pro line. The 2S records 5.8K, so having the Pro 3 record 8K makes total sense, considering the Pro is supposed to be a superior drone than the Air series. The price is for sure confirmed to be high. Out of all the DJI drones, except the enterprise models, the Mavic Pro line has always been the most pricey of them all. We do not have a number right now, but I am thinking that it's gonna be around the 3K mark. Now the question is, should I get the 2S or wait for the Pro 3? And the answer to that question is, if you are a professional pilot and you literally make a living out of professional drone footage, then you might as well just wait for the Mavic Pro 3. But if you use your drone just as a complement for your social media content or just as a hobby, I will say to get the 2S. Alright guys, so that's it for today. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys next time. Peace.